Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Nthabiseng Lamola. I'm the founder of LSN Shades, founded in 2022. I started my business just before my 40th birthday. It was a present for myself. I never got anything for myself, and I wanted something that will define my journey, my life journey. So LSN, because I grew up liking shades, so this is the first thing that came to mind. It's LSN Shades. It's sunglasses for everyday wear, for all occasion, anytime, any season. They are 100%, they give 100% sun protection. They are impact resistant. They are quality. They are affordable. People should buy our products because they are quality, they are affordable, they are unique, their designs are unique. You can't find LSN shades anywhere. You can find all the shades anywhere, but LSN shades design are designed for every, all the unisex, kids, old, all ages. You can contact us on 082-582-4632. It's our WhatsApp number. info@liskinnaturals.com is our email address. www.liskinnaturals.com is our website. Okay. Hi, my name is Nthabiseng Lamola. I'm a township entrepreneur.